One key thing to keep in mind while buying a laptop is to get one with a good battery life. Most laptops offer 6 to 8 hours of battery life, and this is on regular usage. Laptops with a long battery life are important when you have to travel and work in a places where you might not have an easy access to a plug point. Many of the laptops are available in the market which offers a battery life of up to 24 hours, but they're all expensive. So if you're looking for a budget or a cheap laptop that offers a good battery life, then this video will help you out in choosing the best one. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 best laptops that offers a great battery life and comes at an affordable price. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which laptop did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Asus Chromebook Flip C436. Chromebooks have become very popular recently, and Asus Chromebook Flip C436 is an excellent example of the recent rise. Asus says its laptop can last up to 12 hours per charge, which is a lot more than most portable machines. It has a 14-inch 1080p touchscreen, Intel Core i3 processor, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. That is a very respectable amount of power for a Chromebook and will allow you to handle most of the tasks without slowing the machine down. Despite its thin size, Asus outfitted the Flip C436 with the 2 USB Type-C ports and a microSD card slot. The Flip C436 namesake feature is its hinge, which allows you to bend the display 180 degrees. This design choice allows you to put the screen front and center when watching movies, annotating documents, or editing images. This literal flexibility lets you use this laptop in many ways that traditional notebooks computers can't match. It runs Chrome OS, which is the greatest strength and only potential weakness. Chrome OS is fast, safer to use than a traditional operating system, and constantly updated to add new features. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. HP Pavilion 15. HP's Pavilion 15 is the company's latest take on the premium laptop computer, and it can last up to 11 hours per charge. HP did not cut any corners with this machine, which is built around a 15.6-inch 1080p touch display. The machine has an Intel Core i5 processor, up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. This level of performance is not typical in consumer laptops. You shouldn't have any issues editing 4K video on this computer, primarily because of its big screen. In terms of ports, the HP Pavilion 15 is fully loaded. It has 2 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port and an HDMI port, and an HP fast charge port, 1 Ethernet jack and an SD card slot. And HP says using the fast charge port can refill up to 50% of the laptop's battery in around 45 minutes. It also comes with an impressive stereo speaker system designed by Bang & Olufsen. The machine's frame is made out of aluminium, which gives it a premium look and feel too. This laptop even has a fingerprint reader, so you can log into the machine without having to enter a password every time. Asus TUF A15. Affordable gaming king with a very good battery life. If you're looking for a gaming laptop under budget with the best battery life, then this is the best one. Asus TUF A15 is not just fantastic gaming performer, but a great value gaming rig with a military grade durability and impressively long lasting battery life. It comes powered with an efficient Ryzen 7 CPU, which doesn't deplete the battery as fast as the more power hungry Intel CPUs. The battery is also a huge 90 Wh one, which explains the excellent 11 hours 44 minutes battery life. With the help of the Nvidia's most powerful 1080p graphics card, the Ryzen 4000 powered laptop among the best battery life laptops we have ever seen. Consider this laptop for its great 1080p performance, long-lasting battery life, powerful AMD processor and affordable price. The disappointments here are it has got noisy fans and not the most powerful gaming laptop. HP Envy 13. HP Envy 13 will give you a battery life of around 11 hours, also offers powerful internals with a premium looking build. The most attractive feature of this laptop is not only the battery but also the display. It comes with a 1080p panel that reproduces 109% of the sRGB color game mode, making it more vivid than the 4K display, which reached only 99.4%. It also has an elegant 0.6-inch thick chassis that can lift the deck when the lid is open to make for a more comfortable typing experience. The generous size and spacing of the island-style keyboard on the NV13 made the typing a joy. The affordable variant in the HP NV13 series is the model powered by Intel Core i5 processor. You can consider to buy this beautiful laptop with a long-lasting battery life and also for its attractive portable chassis, fast performance, bright displays, 11 plus hours of battery life with a full HD display model, and premium build quality. The only disappointment here is if you go and buy a 4K model, you will get a very poor battery life. Acer Swift 3. Acer Swift 3 offers more than 11 hours of battery life on a single charge. This AMD equipped power demon is designed for portability, so if you are on the go busy bee seeking a Herculean laptop that won't break your bank, look no further. With its Ryzen 7 CPU, not only did the Acer Swift 3 smoke its Intel counterpart on performance, but the AMD packed Ultrabook overshadowed high-performing premium laptops too. This Acer Ultrabook doesn't care to impress, but its minimalist exterior, which consists of magnesium and aluminum, is refined and polished. The AMD Swift 3 model is more attractive than its Intel twin, which has the basic black key. On the other hand, the Ryzen 7 variant sports silver keys with a white keyboard backlit, which gives the keyboard an attractive frosty vibe. So these are the top 5 best budget laptops that comes with the best battery life. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.